Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 can't remove PIN. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. If any errors, follow other steps. Open File Explorer, TIC PC, C Drive. Windows, Service Providers. Open LocalService, click Continue. Click three dots, click Options, click View, check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, click Apply, click OK. Open AppData, click Local, click Microsoft. Open NGC folder, close the option. Right-click NGC folder, click Properties, click Security. Click Advanced, click Change, click Advanced, click Find Now. Select your account name. Check Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects, click Apply, click OK. Now continue to run same command. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run, copy folder path from description and paste it. Click Microsoft folder. Rename NGC folder to any name. Now set up new PIN. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.